Okay, hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Faith, and today, as you can tell, we're doing something really different. Today I'm doing knotless boho goddess braids. I'm going to show you guys the hair and the process. This is my hair right now. I just prepped it yesterday. I washed it and I blow dried it, and I put it into these chunky twists. Yeah, my cousin Bree is actually doing my hair. She's based in Atlanta and Douglasville, so you guys will see her, and I'll actually put her IG on the screen and everything. She does natural hair, so we are gonna get started. Okay, so I have the hair here. I got 20-inch body wave hair from this company here. I'll put it on the screen. But this is the bundles. We just started splitting it up. This is some of it here. And it's actually pretty good hair. It's pretty thick from root to tip. We also have some 14-inch braiding hair to put in my hair as well. So we're adding in some braiding hair and then mainly human hair, but I'll show you guys the process. So this is what I'm starting off with. And it's time to start. First off, we are starting by prepping the hair, Bree separating the synthetic hair, and here again is just what the body wave bundle looks like. Again, it is bulk hair, so there is no weft at the top and it's all ready to go. But I wanted to show you guys how I actually prep it. So what I do is, since the hair is really soft and easy to get everywhere, I put jam at the top of the bulk hair where the hair is cut and separate it into tiny pieces. That way the hair doesn't get everywhere as it's being braided in. Putting jam on the hair also slicks it down, which makes it easier to braid and look a lot neater. And yeah, so don't worry about the jam because as you guys see later, I actually wash it all out, but it is important to use it during the actual braiding process. Speaking of the braiding process, let's get into it. Because I wanted my hair to look really natural and not too full, we decided that the first few rows of braids were going to have only one piece of human hair fed out. Most people do anywhere from 1 to 4 pieces fed out per braid when doing their boho braids. However, for the size and fullness that I wanted, I decided that having only one piece out for my bottom few rows and saving the majority of the fullness for the top of my head was best for having that natural density look. Do you wanna? This is so cute. It looks cute even in the camera.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Ooh. With that said, the braiding process was pretty simple. It may take you a few tries if it's your first time or if you're doing it by yourself, but how it went was that we started by braiding my own hair 2 to 3 notches at the top to make it knotless, and then added a small piece of braiding hair. Once that's braided in, she would then add a piece of the human hair. I apologize that from this angle it's hard to see, but I'm going to explain it as well as I can. You add it by folding the hair over, making sure that one side is longer than the other. Braid that down a bit, 3 to 4 notches, or until you feel it's secure. Then feed out the long side. That will be the side that's hanging out. This is pretty much the process for boho braids. How many times you repeat the process of feeding the hair in and out depends on how many pieces you want to be left out or how full you want it to be. This is where the fullness started to pick up. As I said before, we decided to start adding 2 to 3 pieces out towards the middle and top, and I wanted to show you guys what it looked like 3/4 of the way in. Definitely a lot fuller, but also natural looking. I love the length and everything. And this is what it looks like when we were all done. This is the partings and how full it looks. Bree did such an amazing job. I'll leave her Instagram and info down in the description box below, but although I love it, we are not fully done. Okay guys, so it's actually been about a week or so since I did my hair. I showed you guys what it looked right after it was done, but usually what I see online is that a lot of people like to go in and actually wash their hair after they do their braids just to get all of the jam off of the human hair because it weighs it down. So I've actually washed my hair a few times. Actually I'm on vacation and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like after a week of wear, after washing it a few times, because I used so little braiding hair. Even though my hair has been washed, it does look more natural as opposed to like regular braids if you used a lot more braiding hair. This is what it looks like. The body wave does get a little bit curlier than this, but after like a day or so since I washed it yesterday, this is how it looks. I also went in and I added some green string. I just braided it around, so that's my accessory. And I also have a tan string that I used, and I just wrapped it around like that, so that's how it looks. I love the vibe. It's very boho, and that's exactly what I was going for. I could get my hair wet like with braids, but I also have some hair out, so it's kind of like a half braids, half sew-in kind of vibe, and I really like it for the summertime. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I'll actually show on the screen how much of the bundle I had left, because I actually used a bundle and a quarter of another bundle. So it was Bree's first time, but she did an amazing job. She has a lot more experience now, so if you are interested in her, check out her Instagram page. She also does other types of natural hairstyles, and she's amazing at braids. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, me getting my boho braids done, and check out my other videos if you haven't already. The natural hair videos on mini twists, length retention styles. I also make spiritual videos as well, so definitely subscribe if you're new. And yeah, that's all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video.